Hi everyone, welcome to Cheryl's Stitch and Stash. Today I'm going to teach you how to do the blanket stitch, at least the way I do it. But first I want to let you know that my favorite hand embroidery company, Bird Brain Designs, is giving out a free pattern, and that's what it is. I hope you can see it. It's a cute little pattern. It says, Stitcher Strong, love to stitch, love to quilt. And it is free. So what I do is I went to their website, I downloaded the pattern to my computer, and then I printed it onto cardstock. I like my patterns printed on cardstock. And then I put it in a plastic cover. And then I put it in a loose leaf book according to the pattern number. So this pattern number is, let's see here, 1531. It's free to download. Just go to birdbraindesigns.net. I will have the information listed below under more information, so you can go and get that. It's a cute little pattern. I like it. And then I did promise you that I would show you my next Button Lovers Club from Just Another Button Company. And this is what came. The word. Now I have the Button Lovers Club words with buttons. And that's what it looks like. And the word for this is happy. So what they did was they have the letters on the buttons and it spells out happy. And then they have like an Easter basket, a bunny, purple, yellow, and green buttons. And then you get the sprinkle pack, which is the little ones. And then you get the smoothie pack with the same colors, so it all coordinates. So it's like a spring packet, and Easter all at the same time is in the spring. So they mixed them up, which is great. It's got a bunny in here, a frog, Easter eggs. It's cute. It's cute. So that's what I got for the Button of the Month Club. All right, so now I'm going to teach you how to do the blanket stitch. Okay, so here we are. I just did a fast little sample for you. So what you do, I don't know if you can see this, but you take the piece of fabric that you're going to sew on top, and I use the applique pins and I pin it to the fabric. And then what you're going to do is you're going to wrap your thread around and then put in like that, and then bring it out just like that. And there is your first stitch. And then I'm going to show you again how to do this. Go in and up on the other side of the fabric, the gold fabric. So I'm going in at the green and coming out at the gold, and I'm going to turn my thread around like this, wrap it around. Go like that. Now I'm using 3 strands of floss, and it figures that the floss comes out while I'm showing this to you. And I try to match my floss with the color of the fabric. All right, I'm using wool, so I'm using the green wool. It's like a moss colored wool. It's really pretty. Okay, so we got that. So you go around again, and you just go up and around whatever you're doing the blanket stitch for. And that's what it looks like. So I just wanted to take the time to show you how to do that. I could do one more stitch, so I'm going to go up and around like this. And then I try to get my stitches even, which sometimes it works out for me and other times it doesn't. So you can see how my stitches are there. And that's it. And that's the blanket stitch. What gave me this idea to show you is the other day we lost power for about 5 hours. And it was daylight, so that was good. And it was actually a really sunny day. So I decided instead of starting another project, as many projects as I have going right now, I decided to pull out a UFO. And this is one of my UFOs. So I took the day and I finished. I only have 2 blocks to go to finish this project. And I started this a few years ago, and then I stopped for some reason or another. I don't even know why. Sometimes I get like that with projects. I get bored of them, or I want to go on to the newest thing, and then I forget about them. So I want to show you what I have done. I've done this block. I've done that one. I don't know if you can see this one. The blocks are big. They're 18-inch blocks. This one. It's going to be a quilt when it's done. This one. They're a little bit wrinkled because they've been sitting here, so I have to iron them. So these are all the blocks that I've gotten done. And I only have 2 more to go, so I am definitely going to finish this quilt this year. I have 2 more to show you. And then there's this one. And that's it. I'm working on the next block and I almost have it done. So I can't wait to get this one done and then the next one, and then I get to sew it all together and then have it top quilted. So anyway, I just want to say to everybody, happy quilting, happy stitching, and have a great day.